Your truck just lost power on the highway, not because the engine's bad, not because you forgot an oil change, but because of a cheap part that you let last for too long. Welcome to Keep It Runnin', the series where we cut the guesswork and keep your truck on the road. I'm Dylan, and today we're talking about the part that everybody ignores until it strains them on the side of the road. That part's the fuel filter. Here's the job your fuel filter does every single mile. It catches the dirt, rust, and water riding along in your fuel before any of it reaches the injectors or your pump. If you skip that change and the filter doesn't just stop working, it gets worse. It clogs up, restricts the flow, and starves your engine of fuel when you need it the most, under load, towing, or even merging onto the highway. And here's the part that stings. A fuel filter is just $30 and it's only a 20-minute job. You let it go for too long and that same dirt and water starts working through your injection system, and now you're not looking at $30. You're looking at a $1,500 to $3,000 pump or injector repair. On a diesel, that number is gonna increase fast. So how do you know before it strains you? Your truck's already telling you. Here's what to listen for. Loss of power, especially towing or climbing a grade. Hard starts or cranking longer than it used to. A rough idle or random stalling, hesitation or surging once you're up to speed, and a fuel economy that's quietly gotten worse. Any one of those on its own, keep an eye on it. Two or more together, that's your fuel filter talking. Don't wait for it to give out. Now, diesel and gas guys, the next part matters, and it's different for each of you. If you're running a Powerstroke, Duramax, or Cummins, your fuel filters are doing more work than any gas filter ever will. Diesel attracts water, and water in a high-pressure injection system is what kills pumps and injectors fast, and they're expensive. That's why most diesel filters are built to actually separate the water out of the fuel, and why we push a tighter change interval on diesel trucks. Gas filters have an easier life with lower pressure, more forgiving system, but easier doesn't mean skip it. Debris still builds up, and clogged gas filters will still leave you stranded just the same. The bottom line is, both matter. Diesel just gives you less warning before it gets expensive. That's why we build fuel filter kits for both sides of the shop, diesel and gas. Everything you need in one box, matched to your platform, so you're not standing in an aisle guessing which filter is what. Diesel kits built with the water separating filtration your injection system actually needs. Gas kits built to the same standard we put on everything with the doc's name on it. Here's what nobody tells you in the parts aisle. Not all fuel filters are built the same. The real difference is the inside. Cheap filters can make you choose between fuel flow and filtration. Ours use 3-layer pleated cellulose glass media with large capacity pleats, so they help catch contaminants without choking fuel flow. The seals matter too. Our HNBR O-rings are built to handle heat, ULSD, and biodiesel blends without hardening or cracking like standard rubber. And on diesel trucks, our filters help separate water before it reaches your pump. That is the kind of protection your fuel system actually needs. We do not just say our filters work, we prove it. We sent our fuel filters to SGS, an independent lab in Michigan, for SAE J1985 efficiency testing. They tested our filters installed in the factory housings, not just sitting on a bench. For example, our Cummins DGF 430 is tested at 99.1 efficiency at 3 microns. The Cummins DGF 401 tested at 93.5% efficiency. Every lab report is posted right on the product page. You can see the strong, honest results before you spend a dime. Most aftermarket brands at this price will not show you the test report, but here at Docs, we do. Check your filter, or better yet, just change it before it becomes a problem. If you're looking to replace your fuel filter, click the link down below. Let's keep your rig running, and we'll see you in the next one.